Alrighty, guys. You ready to see Mater? Bam! Boom! Shakalaka. Dang, this thing looks pretty good.
Except for that one spot.
That one spot right there, which Mike's going to be here and he's going to look at it and tell us what we need to do with that spot. But I painted this fender 100% by myself.
Yeah,
it looks pretty freaking good.
You see how in the light it's like a light green, but in the shade it's a dark green?
Yeah.
I love that, man. It like changes colors.
Can't wait to see with the front flip on there and the hood. Ooh, it's gonna look bad.
Oh yeah, it looks really, really good. Let's get home, man. We gotta get stuff done. Hell yeah, boys. Mater's on the way home. On the way home, boys. And a bicyclist behind us. That's it. Man, this truck looks freaking good. Alrighty guys, huge day today. We're painting our secondary colors on Mater. We got our fenders here, our floorboard over there, our front bumper we're prepping right now with our hand sand and all the little tight crevices, doing our secondary color. Just like when you're prepping paint, you need protection, your primer, your clear coat over your base coat, and when you're surfing the internet, nothing changed. So huge shout out to our sponsor of today's video, Surfshark. Quick message from them, then we'll jump right into painting our secondary color for Mater. It's gonna be exciting, guys. Recently, a good friend of mine had their account stolen on YouTube, which has had me thinking a lot more about my online privacy and how I conduct my online business. When choosing a VPN for my family, we discovered that not all VPNs are made the same. Using Surfshark, they allow you to use unlimited devices on that one account. They have a 4.3 out of 5 Trustpilot review rating. They protect from identity theft, secure your digital life. They don't keep logs, so they don't keep track of what website you're traveling on. And also, when traveling and using your favorite streaming devices, you can choose to stream from whatever country you want, even if you're not in that country. So your favorite TV shows and movies that you can't access in certain countries, you can using Surfshark. They notify you if your email address or password has been leaked. They use a private and pure organic search tool with no ads or tracking. They can block ads. It's totally unlimited. So again, huge shout out to Surfshark for sponsoring this video, guys. Use my code ParoDoXz for 85% off and 3 months free. Check them out. First link in the description down below. We're going to finish prepping these panels now, guys. I'm not going to bore you with prepping panels and getting the stuff ready for paint. We'll catch up with you when we go to spray and show you what our secondary color is, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, it's a little bit later on in the day. Huge shout out to Dip and Diesel behind the camera. Our buddy Mike, he came over there to give us a hand. We've been working on this stuff all day. Let's check out what we've done. We've got the floorboards, the bumper, the fenders, the headlight bezels, and the fog light bezels ready to be sprayed. We are waiting for this to sit for about 10-15 minutes. Then we're gonna sand this down, knock it down with 400 to 800. Then we're gonna come back right after, go ahead and prep spray it, then tack cloth it, and then spray our black color. Now, it is a black, you probably could guess that, but the shade of black, there's like 100 different blacks, probably more than that. So you guys don't know the shade of black we went with yet, but we're gonna show you here in a minute, so stay tuned, guys. We're about to get ready to spray.
guys, Caleb is spraying. This is what the bumper is looking like. It's looking pretty freaking good. He's over here spraying the steps. He's putting some work in. Got everything pretty much sprayed with the first coat, but before it gets dark outside, we wanted to show you guys what the bumper was looking like, and it's looking like glass.
Here, we'll show you guys the can real quick from Eastwood. It's the Eastwood product. I'll leave it in the description down below. I'm in the middle of spraying, guys, but it is going to be a single stage urethane 3-to-1 Eastwood product. Here's the part number right here. It's a Bolvard Black, part number right there, guys. I'll put it down in the description down below.
We're using a 3-to-1 single stage activator and a universal urethane reducer.
We're reducing it 8%, so we're reducing it 8%. So if you want to know, that's our exact ratio. 3-to-1 with activator and reducer is 8% of our mix ratio. So that's the exact ratio we're going with, guys. I'm gonna finish this out. Just wanted to take this clip before it gets dark. And we'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow. Once we got to put this stuff on, we're gonna let it dry overnight and show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. So we're gonna get to work. See you then. Alrighty guys, what do you think? We got the floor steps on, the fender, we got our emblem on this side, the front bumper, we've been going at it all day, me and Dip and Diesel behind the camera. Check out that freaking emblem, guys. I'll put a before and after on the screen right now where you guys can see what it looked like before. So if you haven't watched all the videos on this channel, it's been about 2 months long of work. Not that long we've had this truck. Check out the playlist, I'll put it up in the corner of the screen. From start to finish, us pulling this truck out till now, you guys can see every single video. Make sure you guys binge watch that. We got these Mopar emblems from our guy Steve at DCM Classics. Huge shout out to him. I'll put his information down in the description below. If you guys need literally anything for these old trucks, give him a call first. He's got tons of stuff on his site. If it's not on his site, give him a call and ask him if he can get it, or if he just has it, it's just not on his site. Give my guy Steve a call. These old trucks, not just the 51s, he's got a lot more trucks on there. Do us out a t-shirt, we're actually gonna put our back glass in, our door strips, our door weather strips, our front glass weather strip, and our rear glass weather strip. We got that as well from him. So huge shout out to Steve Flockstra. That's his email right there, or his email, dodgecentral.mi@gmail.com. They're in Zeeland, Michigan. There's his phone number, his cell phone number. Give him a call. If you guys have any issues, give him a call. Great guy, great customer service, has a ton of parts for great prices. We're gonna be getting a lot more things like the brakes and things like that from him as well. So he's going to be a great asset for this channel and this build, and I couldn't thank him enough for supporting the build we have going on the channel. We're going to jump right into doing the weather strippings on the door. We already took the old ones all off. We're going to put the new ones on. We're going to get this back glass installed. We're also going to get, you guys remember the old back glass was completely shattered. We're also going to try to polish up our old windshield and save it, because I don't know if I can get that windshield. I probably can get it, but I want to see if I can install this one to keep the original front windshield. If I can kind of cut and polish it up, maybe I can bring it back to life a little bit. We'll see. We may have to order a new one, but let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to enlist the help of my window guy. So I just called him. He's going to be here in the next couple of days to put that back window in. He's actually going to help with the front windshield as well, because we tried and we can't get that back window in. Sometimes you just got to throw in the towel, because we've been working on it for about an hour and a half now and we just can't get it in. We tried every which way, putting the window on the seal first, putting the seal on the truck first, halfway putting the seal on the window, halfway on the truck, and we just can't get that window on. It's just such a tight fit, and every time we try to finagle it, the window falls out. I have to catch it, and I just don't want to break it or take that risk. So there's a specialty window guy I use, and he's going to be here in the next couple of days. He's going to come here, help us put the front windshield on, because that thing's going to be a pain in the butt with the new seals as well. So we really probably need his help regardless. But the back window I thought we could do ourselves, but it's taking too much time, and I need to get this video up. Check out your Make Mater Great Again shirts. Link in the description down below if you want to make Mater Great Again shirt. Job rated. You guys know this was a job rated truck. That's where the job rated comes from. This truck takes a lot of money to build, so if you want to support the channel, support the build, it'd be much appreciated if you guys maybe check out a shirt. These are nice quality shirts. You can wear these things out to a restaurant and no one would know this was YouTube merch. I mean, it looks really good. Everybody that's got merch so far loves it. I only make quality merch. Also keychains. I got my keys in the house right now, but new keychains that are job rated keychains. They last up to 3 years. I had mine for 3 years last time. Same quality keychain, and it still looks great. So bam guys, look, there's the black. We got a lot done in this video. This video is getting long. That's why I kind of want to wrap this up, because I need to upload a video for you guys. I don't want to go a week no upload. Paint looks good, emblems look good. We got the front emblem on the truck we'll probably do in the next video. So putting the truck back together, and then this thing's ready to drive, guys. So expect a driving video in the next couple of days on Mater. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, consider subscribing. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. Comment down below, let me know what you think, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.